Cryptocurrency prices have crashed lately with Bitcoin dropping to its lowest level since December 2020. People are asking what is going on with Bitcoin lately. Is it an era of gloom and doom for this digital asset which some experts have predicted in the past, or now you can buy this dip before we see a bull run? Don't you think we will be timing the market, which only a handful of people have been able to do successfully in the past? So, ideally, what should be the strategy if you want to take a long or short position in Bitcoin or, for that matter, any other asset class? So, let's dive into today's topic, Bitcoin buy now. Hi, my name is Sunny and I make content that affect a common man financially. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to it alongside smashing that like button, as that will help me with the YouTube algorithm, which of course will be highly appreciated. Before you take any position in Bitcoin, you should know what actually Bitcoin is. According to Wikipedia, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that can be transferred on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network. These digital transactions are verified by a network node through cryptography, which are then recorded in public distribution ledger called blockchain. For a common Joe, it might not be easy to understand Bitcoin and the technology behind its functioning, but one thing is definite: blockchain is a very innovative invention that has other multiple applications apart from the Bitcoin world. Once a darling amongst cryptocurrency owners, Bitcoin these days is on a downward spiral. There are multiple reasons behind it, like fear of recession, inflation, and recent US hikes. Today, on the day of recording, Bitcoin is trading around 19,000 US dollars, but if you look at year to date performance, it is down almost 60%. Just keep in mind, the price of Bitcoin peaked at about 68,000 US dollars at the end of 2021, whereas it has lost all its appreciation from the past few years when it came down to almost $19,000, which is the same price it saw in December 2020. But on the other hand, if you look at Bitcoin's all time price movement, this digital asset has appreciated a lot over the years. Technically, the decision whether to buy, hold, or sell Bitcoin at current levels will depend upon a lot of factors. No doubt, it has come down substantially from its peak, but according to some experts, asset managers are basically 80% long and 20% short Bitcoin futures. Even its relative strength index, or commonly known as RSI, which is used to check momentum, is close to 44. Anything less than 30 shows that asset is oversold, while RSI over 70 suggests the asset is overbought. Apart from technical stuff, there is one most important aspect that you need to take into account, which is the human emotion behind investing. Whenever you see any asset that goes down in value significantly, people ask, is it the right time to buy? And Bitcoin is no exception. Now, according to the age old phrase of buying the dip, these days investors may be looking for a piece of this iconic crypto asset while the markets are volatile. People are hoping it is just a temporary downtrend in the markets rather than a long term bear phase. No doubt, Bitcoin has seen such market downturns in the past. We all remember 2018 when it lost over 75% of its value, and those who bought during those times went laughing their way to the bank. But in my limited wisdom, things are a little different now, where worth mentioning are record high inflation, worldwide economic slowdown, Russian invasion of Ukraine, geopolitical tensions around the world, and last but not the least, US Fed increasing its benchmark rate. A smart man once said, be greedy when everybody's fearful and be fearful when everybody's greedy. In simple terms, that means buy the dip if you know what you are buying into and you are okay with the associated risk. You will agree with me that most people buy assets based on feedback of their friends or relatives or even a famous YouTuber who has made money, which means they have sold the asset and now chances are the prices are high. Now ask yourself, how do you plan to make money when you buy high? In my humble opinion, you're missing one important ingredient, which is having a plan in place. I can't emphasize it enough to have a plan ready even before you buy any asset, and Bitcoin is no exception. You need to pen down the reasons why you are buying it, what are your expectations, how long you wish to hold onto that asset, what is your exit strategy, and are you comfortable with the involved risk. The sole purpose of this exercise is to take out human emotions while investing, because we take irrational decisions when the times are challenging. But that is me. I might be wrong. Do your own due diligence before investing based on your risk tolerance. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult one before investing based on your financial situation. If you like the content, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.